Hey, what's going on? Come on in. Yeah. You haven't just starting. You haven't missed anything yet. Hey, happy campers. Mike Sampson here, back at Hartleys Auto and RV Center on Route 13 in Cortland, New York. You can catch me at Mike at Cortland RV, or you can give me a shout at 607-423-0973, or you can even shoot me a text at 607-229-4069. Today, we're going to be walking around this amazing machine right here behind me. This is going to be the Class B. This is going to be the 2023 Zion by Roadtrek. We just bought these guys in and we couldn't be more excited. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, campers, this is going to be part one of our 2023 Roadtrek Zion. And just from the first looks of it, you can see that we're going to come on the ProMaster chassis, 3500. You also do have a 3,500 pound tow capacity. The wipers on this bad boy here will be moisture detecting, so they'll kick right on if the rain starts picking up. The awning is out right now, and that is a full length awning that is powered, so you can operate that from the inside or from your phone on the app. We can talk more about that in one of the other videos. You can see here on the awning that you also have mounts on the side of the van, so you can mount to the van or you can ground stake them down if you don't like them at an angle like that, but it definitely helps on a breezy day to keep your awning nice and secure. So as we come along to the driver's side here, you're going to see some roof racks up top. There's also some solar panels up top. I believe it's about 300 watts of solar on the top. I'll link a picture in there so you can see what's up top. Come down here. Right here is where you'll fill up when you need to get some more gas. We do have an onboard Truma water system and heating. Underneath it, we are going to have our wastewater. So you'll have, I believe it's an 8-gallon waste tank, but you also do have your built-in pump-operated macerator. So, you know, this thing is designed to be fully self-sufficient, just to keep you out boondocking longer. You can see over here on this back corner, you're gonna have your outside shower / sprayer. You know, to keep things nice and clean before going inside. Coming to the back, we have our 30 amp hookup and cable hookup down here in the bottom corner. Like I said, you can tow 3,500 and it's already wired and prepped with your hitch work for you. 2-inch receiver. Another thing that we're already going to have on this bad boy is going to be the bike racks. So you can be able to fit some bikes up there. And then another cool feature you see up top here, right below your antenna, is going to be your backup and rear view mirror camera systems. So the backup camera kicks on just like any other backup camera in your personal vehicle, but then you also have a separate camera that is for your rear view mirror, which will stay on while driving, which is a great feature. In the next video, when we talk about the cab area, we'll go a bit more over that. But in this, you do have 2 doors that fully open up. And right now I got that bug screen down so it doesn't let any bugs in. That'll roll up, and it also has a privacy part of it too. Like I said, in one of the other videos, we'll cover a little bit more in depth what those are. But now we'll come over to the campsite. Watch your head. And as we take a step back, you can see the full length of that awning. And then another key feature of these guys right here is you see these side windows. They're going to be limousine quality windows. And then they also do have spots where they open up, which is not typical. So they went the extra mile and made sure that you can open up a couple windows and went with that nice privacy tinted limousine quality windows. Another cool feature I just want to talk about real quick before we end this video for the outside of it is these steps here. These steps here are awesome. They're powered in and out. So when you open the door, they come right out. And then when you close the door, they're going to go in. Now, for you full-time travelers and RVers and stuff like that, that's a great feature because you might be up in the mountains or up in some of the northern states like us New Yorkers at any point of the year and run into some snow, and that'll just keep those steps nice and clean so they're not slippery or anything like that. So this is it for the outside of the first video of the Roadtrek Zion. Part 2 will be coming next week, and then hopefully consecutively each week after that. So if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. My name is Mike Sampson, and I'll see you next time.